How to download Waze app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download Waze app on your device. For this, open the Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure that you have signed in using your Google account. Now, you want to tap on the search bar. Here, type Waze. Then, out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. If you want to know more details on this application, tap on About this app. Here you have all the details about the Waze app. If you scroll down, you have app information such as version, download size, required OS, app permissions, and much more. Now, if you want to get the ratings and reviews, you also have that over here from different users. Now, if you want to download this application, tap on the install button. Once you do, the download will now start. It will take some time for the download to be completed. Once it has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. You will have to wait for some time now. After the application has been installed, all you have to do is tap on the open option, then log into your Waze account and start using the Waze app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.